Welcome to Austin Moto Ventures, an immersive training experience designed for the new or seasoned rider who wants to learn how to push an adventure motorcycle to its limits. Located at Reveille Peak Ranch, 1 hour from Austin, Texas. It's our first video, and we can't wait to share our journey through YouTube and build this community. Today's video shows the early stages of Austin Moto Ventures, the training course, and riders going out on Decision Point for the first time.
So I'm Rawson. Welcome to Austin Moto Ventures. This is my partner Trev over here. Trev's the chief instructor, and glad to have him as a partner. Today is going to be a really special and cool day because after we go out and ride and warm up on the course, we're going to be climbing Decision Point, which is an epic, really cool climb. It's part of the level 4 graduation.
We're gonna leave here in a group. I'm gonna stress this over and over and over again today. Give each other space, okay? Wherever you're riding, whether it's on the training grounds, especially when we start heading up that point, give each other a lot of space.
Ride fast, take chances, safety first. Third. Optional.
Looking back uphill. Good. Right? If you look at a tree, you're gonna hit a tree.
Right now we're talking through what the course is and what we've done so far. This was pretty much a barren field. So we really started with the 180 section, which is way off to my right. And that's all about balance and shifting your weight and things like that, which then rolls up onto a tabletop to ride across. It's more visually intimidating than riding, and skill intimidating, which then leads into a serpentine course with a lot of different turns and really a lot of weight shifts and things like different varying techniques to be able to manage the bike through those tight turns. And we go over to the whoop-de-doos, which are over my left-hand shoulder. Then we have a gravel pit, a sand pit, and then a baby heads, as we call them, which are rocks, about this size lined up. Then we have a skid turns course. From above, it looks like an American flag. It's really neat. We designed it specifically with a wave in it to make people slow down. And from there, we go to our off-camber turns, which are off to my left, and both vertical and horizontal off camber. All of the elements that we have in these first 3 levels that we've talked about here, you will run into on a BDR. So if you can come here and master these, then you're free to go cut out on the Colorado BDR with confidence and know you're not going to go down. We want riders that know how to ride a motorcycle, that have a little bit of street experience, that want to get transitioned to the dirt, and those are the people that we thrive with. It doesn't matter if they're beginners or advanced. We've got training for all levels. There's some training here specifically for level 5 that experienced riders like myself and my partner Trev we're looking forward to going through the training because there are a lot more elements to it that most people have not faced. We are so thrilled about being sponsored by Climb. It's obviously the best gear out there. Everybody knows it. Everybody loves to wear it. But to have the Climb label and to be sponsored by them, we're really grateful to those guys. Head to toe, we're covered with it, and we're grateful to have it as a team.
Having completed the warm-up course, the experienced riders move on to Decision Point, designed to be a level 4 course. This will be the first time taking a group out for a ride. Austin, how do you feel about taking all these people up?
Well, I'm kind of nervous too. So we've never done this, and we haven't ridden up, but we've only been up it in the side-by-side. So all these guys are riding pretty well. Some of them, a little bit shaky, but this is the kind of terrain that anybody can go down on. So I'm a little bit nervous, to be honest with you.
I think so.
kind of pick your line so you can see what's up here, see what's loose, see where the little steps are. Honestly, once you get on these big chunks of slab like this, it's nothing but traction. The only thing different from this and on the road is you're kind of at an angle and you got some bumps in there. What? Hey, Dylan.
Uh-huh.
My understanding is that Vol Montgomery, the owner of Reveille Peak Ranch, when he was deciding if he wanted to get married, came up here and hand laid every one of these pink quartz granite parts of the walkway. So he came up here at decision point, decided if he wanted to do it. Then he asked his girlfriend to marry him. She became his fiance. They got married, they had children. The children were baptized up here for obvious reasons. So this is kind of a sacred spot to the ranch owner and a sacred spot to us for obvious reasons. It's phenomenal beauty here. So this is the Pinnacle would be the end of the weekend of riding. Everybody can see why. And thank you all for coming here and being a part of this first shot. We appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you.
And we get to ride back down.